Today is a very exciting day because we are less than 24 hours to the opening of the conference, and many activities are taking place here which are fundamental. One of the most, for me emotionally speaking, one of the most important is that we have a group of mothers claiming and fighting for clean air for their children.
The creation of awareness that air pollution is doing this, the engagement of different populations, in this case I work with our kids' climate, of mothers talking about this. We're coming grassroots and we are making people aware that this is affecting their kids. The key measure that we need to take from all the speakers that we have is that at the end of the day, we're doing this for our children, because air pollution has a detrimental impact in our kids' health. And it starts very early on. When people don't know, when mothers are pregnant and they think that their babies are safe, it's already going. And after they're born, every breath that they take has a negative impact on their health because they're breathing air pollution.
When you have mothers fighting for their children's health, this is irreversible, this is unstoppable. Another powerful thing is these pollution pods that we have outside. Is again a way to anyone who will be entering the conference center, they will have the opportunity to feel on a very, obviously like in the movies, it's not a real one, but they will feel how millions of people are feeling every day. The exhibition is where people is now displaying what they are doing. It's an opportunity to exchange, it's an opportunity to somehow show your commitment and your willingness to do more. But again, it's as well sharing interventions, sharing experience, and the opportunity for others to say, okay, maybe this is an intervention I can put in place in my city or in my country or in my community as well. I think it's important to remind ourselves, why are we here? And we are here because we have a massive public health issue that people, rather they don't know, or they know they don't want to act, or they don't have the wisdom, the minimum wisdom we need to react. And the reason why we are here is because there is people dying every year due to exposure to air pollution. And it's because people is developing chronic diseases that are costing a fortune to the quality of life of our people and to our hospitals and our health systems. So for all of those reasons, we need to cause a kind of volcano here and make sure that everybody recognizes the science. Nobody will be able to leave this conference saying, well, we didn't know that it was so strong and so heavy. And then we need to put on the table all the interventions, all the tools that are available. And again, not giving excuses to anyone to say, I didn't do it because I didn't have the tools, I didn't have the interventions. All of that is available. So when we leave this conference, everybody has to be committed, engaged, and ready to multiply their level of ambition by 1,000 at least.
In the pre-conference day of the WHO Second Conference on Air Pollution Health, we had an Emerging Leaders for Clean Air meeting. And I think one really highlight of that is that young people are no longer willing to bend to the current system. We want to transform the system as it is because it's not working for clean air.
We were gathered as youth leaders with one aim, with one mission, and is first of all bringing into reality a problem that a lot of people ignore, that is air pollution, through the different contexts that we are. Some of them researchers, some of them more advocacy oriented like me, and other more oriented to policy.
We're asking for and demanding support and just as a level of commitment from our decision makers to do the same.
We can actually be a little bit disruptive and be a little bit annoying to people, but annoying in a good sense, actually makes some noise. But it's always nice that a group, especially of disruptive people, come and actually bring other perspectives and we start also to get into them. That's the most amazing part of being youth, because they are also, is expected from us.
So there is today a very positive energy, and human energy is the best and is renewable.